Good morning, everyone. It's early morning here in the small backyard garden, and let's go and see what's going on in here. It's very quiet and very cloudy day, and I'd like to sit right here on the bench and have my tea. It is very, very peaceful, and the sound of that water fountain right there is very, very soothing. Now I just want to show you this blueberry vein petunia. This grows voluntarily on this pot. I had a petunia here last season and the seeds dropped on it, and I think I've never cleaned the pot, and then the next year I have this, and I discovered that this plant repelled mosquitoes. This morning when I come out here, this black table here has a lot of dead mosquitoes, so that's new to me. So now I'm planning to save the seeds so that I can plant it for the next season. This plant right here is new to me as well. I am started to collect the seeds. I think this is called vinca, and the hummingbirds love it so much. So this is the seed pod right here. So I'm starting to collect the seeds for the next season as well. This morning we have the finches in here having a bath. Finches is a very shy bird. They only come here when nobody's around. So what I do is I sneak in here and do not move, and that's how I get them and take a video out of them. They are such a beautiful bird. And look at this gorgeous. You know what is this? This is a marigold. And I never see this type of variety of marigold before. So now I am going to let this mature and save the seeds for the next season. But most of my annual this year didn't do well. It's because the weather here for this summer was very, very rainy. We have so much rain, and then at night it's a little bit cooler. So the annual did not bloom as much as they want to. The garden is slowing down a lot. A lot of flowers are done, so the only thing that I have blooming in here are the black-eyed Susan, which bloom every summer until fall, and all the hydrangeas are done blooming and turning into kind of lime green color. I really like the zinnias right there. They are almost done as well. And look at this color right here. That's so beautiful. So what I do is at the end of the season, I collect the seeds, and then in the spring, I started to plant them again in the garden. Either direct sow or in a pot, or I can start it inside in the house and then transfer it here. But I found it direct sow is more easy way, or the best way to go, because they grow naturally and they are more healthier. That's another bird bath that we have right here, and I call this the favorite. It's because all of the birds comes in here to do their splash every morning and at the end of the day. I want to show you the creeping genie that we have right here in this pot. Look. I really like how it's spread on the floor. That is so beautiful. So, in the fall or at the end of the season, I am going to clean up this pot and save the creeping jenny for the next year again. Look at that. I like it a lot. And then here are some marigold that I have. It didn't bloom at all. And this is the other one right here. There's no bloom as well on that marigold. But the cosmos, it's doing so good. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? I like the color of this cosmos. I have some varieties I will show you soon. The only flower that's blooming in this side is the black-eyed Susan. But I'm so surprised that the Shasta days they gave some blooms, but they're not looking good at all. Anybody loves the color of the fall? Look at my blueberry. It's like a fiery red color. It's so nice. I want to show you the other variety of cosmos that I have. Oh my goodness, have you ever seen this in your garden? I hate this, but I want to show you. Look at this Japanese beetle on my roses. They demolished the leaves of my roses. I really want to get it, but let's continue the tour first, and I'm coming back to get those beetles. It's still early in the morning, so they are not awake yet. We will stay there for a little bit, so I'll come back after the tour and get them. Now I am showing you the other variety of cosmos that I have right here. Look at this. That is a little bit the flower is a little bit older, and this is the newest one right here. Very nice color. I grow this from seeds as well. I like to grow things from seeds. I find it easy. They are very easy to grow compared to starting it indoor. The vegetable garden is slowing down now. I have cleaned it up already, and I only have few vegetables left in there. We enjoy the beans a lot. There's so much right there. And now some tomatoes. We have some Swiss chard and kale, and I still have some beets and carrots to harvest. I am planning to plant some spring onions on that open area right there. This is such a good day because it's very quiet, and it's early in the morning. The sun is not out yet, but it's starting to. It's a bit cloudy, so we'll see what happens. So look at these roses that I have in here. It is going to bloom. Look at that. Nice, see? There's a lot of buds right here, so I'm gonna have a rose or a bloom this fall. I love the color of this hydrangea. I forgot the name, but I remember the first name of this is the Diamantino hydrangea. But there is a full name, but I'll try to see if I can find the full name of this hydrangea. So this is the shrub type of hydrangea. 2 years ago, I trained into tree form. You see, there's only one stem, one large one. And now it is a very successful tree form of hydrangea, so I can't wait for it to grow more. I mean, maybe it's gonna be about 5 feet when it is fully growth, but I'm so happy with that. This is the other one that I have right here. So this is the other shrub. This one I let it the way it is, and it's doing really nice as well, and it's beautiful. Love the color of it. So in this area right here, oh, look at this. Just give me a second here, right here. Look at the other cosmos that I have right here. Look, isn't that pretty? And this one here is another variety. Look at that one. Nice. So I am going to collect the seeds of both of this cosmos for next year. They are so gorgeous. So anyways, I want to show you this walkway. On both sides I have planted roses. So I have, in this side I have 2 roses. One is a shrub type, and then one is a climbing rose. This is a Western rose. And then right here I am planning to put one more. This is right now I planted a scarlet runner beans, but I'm going to replace it into a climbing rose. I love to plant scarlet runner beans in here. It's only because the hummingbirds like to come and visit our garden every year. They like the nectar of the scarlet runner beans, so I always provide them the food when they come in here. So what I did is, on the other side right here, in this side, I have planted honeysuckle. Yes, it's a honeysuckle, so it would replace the scarlet runner beans. Then they will have food every year that they comes to visit in this garden. So anyways, let's talk about again this walkway. So yes, I've mentioned that there's 2 roses right there on this side, and in this side I have just planted 2 more climbing roses as well, that will fill this trellis right here, or the fence. And then just down below I have some hydrangeas that will bloom next year. So I have the city line Venice hydrangea, and this one right here is a bloom-struck hydrangea. And then in between I have the rose, and then the Annabelle hydrangea. So this area is going to look really beautiful next season. And my tall, this is supposed to be a shrub rose, but anyways, it's very tall. So maybe it's a shrub rose, but it's just very tall. So I see last early June I have a beautiful bloom out of this, and it's so gorgeous. All right, my beautiful dahlia is right here. I will always cherish this dahlia. It was given to me by a friend, and what I do is I always just collect the tubers on the fall and store it in the basement, and by spring take it out and plant it again. It's very beautiful. Look at that. So this garden, it's a very personal to me, because I love to spend time in here. This garden makes me feel good, make me feel better, and it's just, for me, it's a garden therapy. You know, I find happiness in here. You know, watching all the blooms every season, different type of flowers, different type of pollinators and birds. It makes me so happy. And not only that, it provides me a food for the whole summer. We have so many vegetables that we harvest here in this little garden. So in both ways, it provides me food, it makes me happy, and that's all I need. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and again, I will say thank you for all my subscribers, and for those who are not subscribed yet, I am asking you to please to subscribe. It will help this channel a lot. And for those who of you that are already subscribed on this channel, I thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you and have a good day. Bye for now.